What's up, guys? It's me, Fana. Welcome to my channel. For this stuff. They were doing on a boat.
What boat, Savannah? Come over here.
Boat.
Come over here. Don't be going. I know you're excited to go on the boat, right?
Boat.
Pontoon.
A pontoon.
So who's all going?
You know that, Mommy.
Oh, one of the great things about the pontoon is that we get to see lots of wildlife, and maybe we'll get to video some of it. Oh, hey, Nola, what do you want to see this trip? Lots of fun, lots of wildlife.
Yeah, I want to see.
Savannah, what do you want to see? Do you want to see a duck?
Yeah.
A duck? Do you want to see a loon?
Yeah. I want to see someone float.
Do we want to see a bear? No.
Yeah. I want to see a bear. I want to see.
Oh, well, Daddy's got to go put his life jacket because it says that right here that I need to have a life jacket, okay? To power the boat.
Where's your life jacket?
Right here. So I'm going to put it on real fast, okay? And then we're going to go see a bear. We're going to look for a bear.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to go find some bears, right? And some monkeys.
I'm going to send my mom downstairs.
This is about as fast as the boat's gonna go.
Yeah. Savannah scared?
Remember last time we saw what?
We saw a lot of loons.
That's one on the
Yeah,
right?
we saw the loons, right? What? Yeah, this is about. We can go a little faster than this, but not by much. This is about this is the absolute fastest this thing goes, but I'm not going to go this fast. I really don't want it. So I was gonna say, I think that this boat is about 50,000, maybe in the neighborhood. It would be fun, right, Savannah? Say bye, Kevin. We got a new boat. Just Stacy wanted this boat. However, I should have had my sunglasses because it's really bright out here. Maybe we can get lost in the water again. Hopefully not.
Let's find your buddy.
I can also walk in here.
You yeah. Oh! Do you see it? Is that a big nest? You don't see it? It's right there in that tree that's almost dead. You see the very top?
Remember that house that house? It has so many
Yeah.
stairs.
Yeah, that would be a lot of stairs, wouldn't it?
What do they get up
I think that's the eagle's nest, yeah.
Wow, look at it. Wow, you can see like,
Can you imagine climbing all those steps after being swimming all day, Nola?
Yeah, first of all, I'd be tired a little bit from swimming
And then you'll have to climb those stairs to get
You know worse than doing the bluff.
in the bluff. Oh, well,
That's a lot.
Look at it. It's a tree in the water making a V.
yeah.
Or an A. It's an E in it. A little bit.
I'm gonna go and find out how much of this house is
Zillow.
like. Yeah, I know. I just wanna look.
I found a rock on the beach.
You found a rock.
Yeah, I found a rock. The back of there. Way back when we were at the cabin.
I didn't understand yesterday.
I was gonna say, it's pretty close to full moon. Do you see a boat in the water over there? I think it's a kayak.
I can see the kayak.
Do you see people kayaking?
I see more people over there.
And another boat.
It'll be funny if the boat went all by itself. Or maybe it's just flying down.
I think they're enjoying the water, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, and we're gonna make waves for them.
for her, I bet, yeah. Or is it two people? I only see one.
For both of them. So there's two kayaks.
Two kayaks.
That person's like
Oh, I see it now. See them? Yeah, they're in the water. Actually, there's three. What?
There's 3 people in the water.
Yeah.
You don't like salt.
Is this fun, Nola?
Sand. There's a bunch of sand.
Bunch of sand?
Yeah, over there.
Well, it depends. I mean, like,
For what?
you can swim, you'll probably be okay.
For what? If you can swim, you can go out on the boat?
I mean, she's talking about if you went under the water, you would die.
Oh, if
So,
you
well,
get...
if you have the life jacket on, then you float.
Yeah, you float, yeah.
But I said if you knew how to swim, you probably wouldn't be that, but you could probably manage it.
You're gonna try your best to keep afloat. Duckies! Do you know what they are? I think those are loons, aren't they?
See if they go under.
We'll see, but there's a lot of them, so it could be duckies. I think you guys are right. They are duckies. Which duck is gonna win?
They'll look like You're like, Bolt, get out of here.
Hi, duckies. The duckies everyone's making is going in a circle. Over there, okay. Wait behind there, duckies. See you later. Which one's gonna win? They were swimming in a straight line, weren't they? And now the ladies are trying to get the reeds. They are very, video can barely even see that they're even there, but there's a lot of tall grass here.
Can you move towards that?
We're going to try and see if we can get one.
I want to get that tall one. Right there. There's that one for me to put in the water and see if we can find it.
All right, we'll see if we can get anywhere close to it.
They're falling away from us.
Is the reeds floating away from you now too?
Yes, they're falling away from us.
Well, I'm going to try and get the...
They're right there, Noah, but I can't.
Can you reach the ones right directly in front of us?
I got a piece of it, but... Oh, I want to reach to them in front of us.
We're moving towards it. Maybe. Maybe we're moving closer to
We're
it.
letting them farther away.
Oh, I guess the boat just pushing it along.
Wait, did we get a little closer, Noah?
Little bit closer.
A little bit closer?
A little bit closer. Little bit closer. And stop. No, don't stop. Little more closer. Little bit closer. I want to reach it though.
Here, grab it.
Wait, no. No, I got it. It's breaking. No,
It broke off.
Okay, well, we're done with that.
Well, see if you can grab one and look at it, girls. I'll try and get really close to one here. Did he get it?
2 pieces.
No.
Yeah, at least I got 2 pieces.
Okay, so let's look at it. Is that? Whoa! Wait, what does it look like? Is it hollow in the middle, Savannah?
No, not really.
No, what does it look like, Nola?
It's like white in the middle. It's white in the middle. And you can peel it, see?
Whoa!
It's kind of like...
Is it kind of cool? Do you want... Is that pretty cool to see them? The reeds? Mommy's like, I don't know. What? It's Savannah, what does it look like?
I peeled some off. It looks like... Yeah, I peeled some off too. And when I peeled them off, it looks like corn.
It looks like corn.
A little.
Did you get it? Oh, Nola got it. Savannah, you guys share it, look at it together. Bring over here.
I did the peeling.
There's one straight ahead. Savannah, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna pull that one in. Ooh, I'm gonna put this next to mine.
Is this a lot of fun?
Okay, see, now look at the top of that one.
Hey, Savannah, bring it over here.
Daddy.
Bring it over here. Do you see what's it look like? Hey, there's one coming up here. Let's see if you guys can get this one. Right in front, Nola.
She's all wet.
I'll try and get in it.
I think you're a little too far off.
Oh.
Oh, that one right there. Did you get one from me?
Did you get one? Oh, hey, Savannah, bring that one back here.
Look at this one.
Oh. Well, yeah, bring that one.
Bring that one to show Daddy.
Do you you girls know what these are?
What?
Nola, do you know what this is? Up on top? Okay, let's look.
Oh, they're not actually spiky. Because I felt it on mine. Mine isn't spiky.
Okay, do you guys know what those are though?
What?
Those are seeds.
We got my seed.
See, that's seeds for those things. Is that pretty cool, Nola?
We have some now.
Yeah, you can plant your own reed at home.
No, I want that one right there. No. What's that noise? No.
It's just the bolt. Daddy's, it must shut off.
It went away. But
Okay, we're gonna get going.
we got plenty.
We got a lot of reeds here. Ladies, what did we find this time? Oh! Look at it. And actually, I think it's a seagull, ladies. Yeah, are we chasing it now? Should we follow it? They can follow us?
I've never seen a seagull take off from the water.
Oh, look at this. Oh, it turned on us. Can you believe it? It looks a little black up there.
It's showing us to read. Oh, look at this really
Come this way.
Okay, we'll leave the seagull alone now because he's getting pretty far away. Alright, we're getting over to the reeds here. Are you sure? I don't know where the cabin is. Do you know where the cabin is?
Our tiny little ship is gonna get tossed.
And we're going to land on a desert island in the middle of the lake.
The fearless crew, is that you?
I guess I'm the fearless crew.
Skipper?
She is Gilligan, I guess.
Me?
Yep.
No. I'm the millionaire's wife.
Look at this giant one.
Wow.
Look at this. And know what, guys?
Oh, it's Maui's fish hook.
It's Maui's fish hook. Oh my goodness! Nola found Maui's fish hook.
In the middle.
Oh, wow.
Do you know what that means? Maui is nearby. Or does that mean you have the power to change?
I just started all by myself. The reeds are getting shorter and shorter.
Oh.
I got one.
You got one?
Look at I grabbed this one.
That's a pretty tall one.
Is this as big as the one? I don't want this. Daddy, I don't want this. Savannah, look at.
Well, we'll just put up with the rest of your Savannah. Savannah, over here. There's more wildlife. What is right next to the control?
Oh, that I've seen a bunch of them on those.
On those, yeah.
See.
So Savannah, right here. You see it? It's a little insect, isn't it? The little buggy. Oh, there it flew.
I want to see with Daddy.
It went flying. Nola, if you're a really good niece, you would buy us this house.
That dynamic house.
Yeah. You should tell your father to buy us that house.
You know you would have some comment about that, right?
With what?
I said, you know Aaron would have some comment.
Yeah, Aaron. Expectations, you buy us this house right on that lake, on this lake right here. That is that house. You see water from both sides, it looks like, because there's water on the other side. The expectation is you're going to buy us that house.
Look at this. I broke it open, and in the inside, it's not really watery. It's foamy.
It's got foamy?
Yeah.
What were you doing, Savannah?
I'm helping Daddy ride the boat.
Are we driving the boat?
Oh, they're moving. Stop.
Yep, they're moving. That's why we're moving this way, because I don't want to hit them, right?
Yeah, that would be. They're gonna damage the boat.
Daddy would be in a washroom.
Probably would be.
If I was a grown up like Daddy, I would drive really good on this boat.
You would drive very good on this boat?
And then turning it really.
You just don't turn. We're just going straight right now, sweetie. Right?
It'd be funny if we had the speedy like really fast.
Like really fast?
Yeah, and Mommy would be sick.
Oh, Mommy would be sick?
Yeah, like
Mommy probably would be.
I don't know if that would be much fun for Mommy.
And then we had to go back to our house.
Yeah.
We're so much
Hey, Savannah, what do you think we just found? A loon.
Here's Savannah. Try getting fish.
So just Steve bird.
Hey, Nola. Do you see the loon out there? What do you think the loon's going to do when we get close?
Start swimming away or fly. It says it's blue and slide.
Do you think it's going to go under the water?
Black.
Maybe.
Savannah, is that pretty cool?
It's gonna go away from us. This is kind of
There he goes. He's under now. Where do you think he's going to pop up? Oh, look, right way out there. There's another one.
I know I'm fishing, Mama.
I guess the loons live on the north part of the lake, away from the reeds.
Reeds are for the ducks.
I guess.
More pondish over there.
Hey ladies, where's the cabin? Where do you think it is?
Over there.
Over there, you think so?
No, right there.
Right there? I think we're lost.
No.
No?
I'm not gonna believe you.
Not even far anymore.
Well, we're not even that far? Because we can see the whole lake, can't we, Savannah?